Hello guys, today I have got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how to fix earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. The only thing that I would actually recommend doing at first is to clean your fingers. I know that you may have your fingers clean, but this is not what I mean. I mean that your fingers cannot be oily, cannot be sweaty, nor dirty. So you need to just clean your fingers sometimes when it doesn't work. If it doesn't work still, you need to try to clean the touch areas. And how to do that? You need to prepare yourself the cloth. Doesn't matter which one, just cloth. I is recommended to prepare microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Apart from that, you can try to use the cotton swabs, and you need to just, with this alcohol, wipe the touch areas. If it doesn't work still, you need to perform a factory reset on your earbuds. How to do that? Open your case and take a look at the back of it. Here, as you can see, we've got this button. You need to hold this button while your case is opened and both earbuds are inside. Let's wait a moment. Now, this is the factory reset, and now we are done, and this should be good for you. If it doesn't work still, you need to contact the device support because your earbuds may be broken. Goodbye.